Now that we filtered our gallery by file name, we can apply our keywords. We'll be applying the keywords car and BMW using the paint can. Since we want to apply these same keywords to all 5 images, do the following. Click the first image and you'll notice it becomes highlighted. Hold the Shift key and click the last image. You can see that all the thumbnails are now highlighted. You'll also notice that the first image is highlighted in a brighter color than the remaining 4 images. This is because image number 1 is the active image, whereas the remaining ones are simply selected. You'll understand the importance of this as we progress through the course, but for the purpose of this tutorial, they are all selected and we can go on to the next step. Now click on this paint can at the bottom here, and from the menu, make sure you have keywords selected. In this input area, type in car, BMW. To stay consistent with these lessons, use all lowercase letters. Now click any of the thumbnails with this paint can. As soon as you do, you'll see a message appear that the keywords have been painted on these images. Now put the paint can back in the holder. Another way to confirm that your keywords have been added is you'll notice this little icon appears on each image that says photo has keywords. Deselect the thumbnails by clicking anywhere in this area. Double check that each thumbnail has 2 keywords by selecting each thumbnail. So I'll start with the first one. Expand your keywording panel on the right side here. And you'll notice that in this input area, we do in fact have the BMW and car keywords that we just applied. So just go through each one. And you can see that each one does in fact have both keywords. And that's exactly what we want.